All right, boys and girls, let's see what we've got today. We have ourselves today a holiday? Oh, what do we got today? No, you got price moving. I don't know what's going on here. Oh my God, did this gap up? What? Holy shit. What? Look at that gap up. Oh my God. All right. We have got ourselves a situation. Holy jeez. Are we at all-time highs? Oh man. All right. Well, this is exciting. Look. Oh, what is that? That's a. Oh, come on. I got to figure out what this is. What is this from? 323 points? No way. No, that's 80 points. Okay. 80 points. All right. That's still a lot on that one. What is it on this one? Jeez. This is a lot here. Yeah, there you go. 500 plus points. Son of a gun. And that's a lot of sideways right there. Oh my God. And I believe we're near all time highs. All right. Let's go to the 1 hour. Wow. Yeah, we're curling over big time. Yeah, we're right up near all time highs. All right. This will be an interesting one today, boys and girls. This will be an interesting one today. We're going to have to stay diligent and patient because this really could go any number of ways. And I wouldn't even know where to begin thinking about how I want to do this. Wow. So that gapped way up. So we had a 1 hour fair value gap here coming into the weekend that never got fully breached. We were hanging out in there, but nothing fully happened. We anticipated that it was going to move up, and sure enough, move up it did. I mean, holy smokes! But that leaves a tremendous gap right here. Uh, we've got all kinds of 1 hour gaps here that we need to go. I mean, so I don't know if this is going to fill today or tomorrow or when. We have red folder news on Wednesday. So, and we're up near all time highs. So, I don't know what to tell you. We're just going to have to watch to see where the manipulation goes because right now we have got sideways. This is our consolidation. This is our accumulation right here. We had accumulation. I can't say there's really manipulation per se. Maybe something down in here accumulation, but that's huge. And another, distribution, then another huge accumulation across here. So if I had to guess, we're probably going to get a manipulation and then a distribution, and we're going to come back and fill this gap. So tell you the truth, I know that we're at getting near all-time highs, and I hate to be the counter trend guy in something like this, but we're looking to have to fill that gap. We're looking to have to fill that gap. Wow, that is just crazy. Okay, let me go back to the 15-minute and mark some things out. Because we clearly have got a few of these things that are cleared here. I mean, that's funny. It literally opened right at previous New York highs. Skipped right past all of this. Wow, that's crazy. We'll have to keep an eye on that. We'll have to see how aggressively that moves because I do think that's going to move pretty aggressively. We're hanging out here at these New York highs, so okay, this is where the fun starts. Yeah, for sure. Why do I not have Asia highs showing on this? What the hell's going on here? I got it on that, and I don't got it on this. Hello? All right, I'll just have to do it this way then. Where's 3? 3 o'clock. Okay, so Asia there didn't happen. Got 8 minutes to market open. Clearly we've got 1900, 1800. It's 1800, right? 1800's the break. That's what I always thought it was, 1800. Why is it showing here that it's 1915? That's weird. All right, we're going to do it this way. Let's just mark this off still. This one here. Okay, there's London. And then right there. All right, so there's London. Oh, there we go. All right, so I got London. It's right at New York, so. Okay. All right. All right, this we can get rid of. This is going to be important. Okay. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. All right. Got about 5 minutes to market open. We're going to have ourselves a very, very interesting market open here. Like I said, my guess is we are going to be manipulating to all-time highs and then crashing down to fill the gap from the weekend, fill the weekend gap. So that's the play. 15-minute gap here we're dealing with. We really don't have any gaps here. This is all sideways consolidation. Really, really narrow through here, even though I've got this stretched out. Not a lot of uh, effort to get up past all-time highs. So that's where I'm thinking we're going, and uh, and then we're going to see a reversal. So just keep an eye on that, and yeah, yeah, that's a huge gap, huge gap. There we go. Okay, all right. I just need to know which account I'm playing with here to start with. Okay, all right. All right, so the most I can trade on these counts is 10 micros. Um, but given what I'm trying to accomplish here, I might just max out at 3 to 5 at most. Gives me a chance to scale in, scale out. Okay, so we have ourselves a bearish SMT forming. We'll see what happens when this candle closes. Okay, we got market open. Definitely a bearish SMT forming, but I don't know if it's going to be here or not. Okay. All right. It took out the highs, so that SMT no longer applicable. Looks like we're heading higher. Don't trade the opening 15. Wait for a quality setup. Don't want to be caught scalping today if it's going to be a weird market. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's much there. What is that? How much would that be? Let's see. That's 50. Okay. It's only $10 or so for the click. Okay. So it'll move a little bit, but not going to play that game. I mean, we have the tiniest of fair value gaps right here. And we got another one right here. We got one here that's already been inversed. Expect it's going to come down, come back up, and then head down. That's basically the... Got a 5 minute gap here. We'll just keep an eye on it. Got another one down here. I think this will be the more important one right here. Okay, that's a 15 minute and a 5 minute. So we've got the 15 minute right here too. You'll have to keep an eye on that too. Okay, it looks like it's making quite an effort to get up there, but we're just wicking up in there, so this could be as far as the manipulation goes, but we'll see what the next candle entails. Let's just take a look at what the 1 minute action's looking like. Yeah, we took two dips in there. We got a 1 minute and a 5 minute right here. So still not going to do anything just yet. Just let the 15 minute play out. Glass wipes. There are stripes. Okay, so we got the next area of liquidity, and it looks like we're pumping a little higher still, so okay. Looks like we're heading to New York highs. So let's take a look at the 1 minute, see if there's even a trade there. Yeah. Well, let's take a scalp. Let's see what happens. I think New York is doable. So we're hopping in a weird spot, but yeah, it's going to come down. I'm going to get out because I think it's going to come down into here first, into this gap. Come down into the gap, and then it'll come back up. So we'll take a scalp there instead. Let's wait and take a scalp there. Yeah, this is a better spot. Okay, and we'll take that up to New York. It should get close. I don't know. It'll probably get up close and then come back a little bit. It likes to play around. So we'll just hang on to it. It's just a little scalp. There's a lot of strength there. Manipulation's going up, so we'll let that happen. And get out there and we'll do it again. Like to see that come down a little more. I really want it to come down a little bit first. Take a little off the table there. All right, kiddo. All right, you have a good one. There we go. Should come down a little bit more too. I want it to come down a little bit more. All right, take another 40 bucks off. I'm just stabbing at it here. You know, we're just taking little bits and pieces. Little bits and pieces. We're going to get to New York and all-time highs, and then we'll see where the reversal comes. Got a 1 minute gap here. We've taken out these 15 minutes surging. All right, we do have another 5 minute gap we can look at right here. I'll draw it in for now, but I mean, this candle's not done, so we could dip down for all I know. But for what it is, I'll leave it there for now. It's going to be a real nice V-shaped structure here for a reversal. It's funny how these market makers and just the way the smart money is, they get up close to it and they hang out and don't quite give everyone their TPs, and then they pull back to freak everyone out, and then they come up and push through. So we'll see if our next candle comes down into this gap here. See what the 1 minute looks like. Yeah, look at that. Yep, totally there. If it goes down halfway into that gap, I'm gonna go ahead and take a trade there. It should come down some more. I don't know if it'll come down into the 1 minute, but it should come down into this 1 minute. It should come down at least into this 5 minute is what I'm thinking. It's almost like you know it's going to happen. I've seen this happen so many freaking times. It should come down a little bit more. I think it'll come down into that 5 minute. If it hits the 50% thing on the 5 minute, I'll take it. I'll take it again. It's what it should do. It should close beneath this low. Yeah, okay. Come down a little bit more. I'm going to take a buy right there, but I think it's going to come down some more. Yeah. Yeah, so you got people shorting or getting out right there. Smart money's going to take it higher. I'll still play this gap. If it still comes down, I'll play this gap. I'm okay with it. I'll buy again down here at this gap. It's not going to leave New York like that. I want it to come down a little bit more, though. I don't think it's going to give it to me. See what the 5 minute looks like. Yeah, it might. We'll let it come down. Yeah, this is good. I'll buy one more there. I think that's what I want right there. Looks like we're getting down into this gap. We're touching it anyway. Let's see if we inverse it. If we inverse the gap, I might be in trouble here. Shit. I think I'm in trouble. We'll see. Yep. Damn it. Not this account. Come on. I think this was dumb. Yep. This was totally dumb. All right, I'm out. I blew it. I blew it. I blew it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Now head back up. Am I chasing it now? Am I being stupid? Am I being an idiot? I probably am. Nope. I'm acting like an idiot right now. Oh, trying to anticipate these moves. This is stupid. Once we get these all-time highs, then that'll be the final manipulation. Then we'll start looking for for actual reversals. This is going to bounce around for a little while. Yeah, it sucks. I got sucked into being liquidity on that one trade. That was dumb. Ay ay ay. Then I'm just chasing it going back. Shit. taking its damn time getting up there, let me tell you. How it does not take that liquidity, I don't know. All right, I'm out. Got a little bit of profit there, but all right. You saw me buy off the trend line there, so I'm faithful that we're holding strong now. If I see it break down below, then I'm out, but oh shit. Eek. Yep. Fuck, I gotta get out. Damn it. Unless I misjudged that trend line. think I misjudged the trend line. I think I need to get back in. Shit. I'm out again. That's holding strong for some reason. Okay, I'm going to sell a micro here. Just one. I think I think her trend is broken. Unbelievable. I am just getting eaten up right now. Holy shit. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just going for it. It's either going to blow the account or I don't know. I'm totally getting chopped up right now. Oh my God. All right, I'm out. God damn it. I just can't figure this one out today. I should be done for the day. I don't know here. What is the significance of that constantly hitting down there? What am I not seeing? Oh, come on. Ah, oh, am I really going to get close to blowing this account? For fuck's sake. What the fuck? Unbelievable. Sure enough. Caught in the chop like an idiot. And now this account is just a few dollars from being fully blown. Yeah. I got $28 to get to liquid. So this account is pretty much going to get blown. Fuck. God damn it. I'm more or less just going to have to take a chance and get out. I've got I got it to go positive and I got to get out. So it's just I got to risk it. Well, that's it. We're done. Okay, that account's blown. I tried. So now I got to go to the other account. Damn it. All right, blue one account, and on the other one, I'm up 350. So, okay. Okay, I'm in full size right now for what it'll give me anyway. think they chopped enough people up. I think it's time to take that liquidity up at the highs. Come on, man. Don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. Fuck. All right, I'm done. I suck today. Yeah, not a good day. I cannot find a trade. I'm just getting chopped out. This isn't good. So, all right, blue one account, and I'm down like 400 on the other. So 346. I'm down 346 on the other qualified account. So, all right, I'm done for the day. This isn't working out. I've had nothing but losing trades today, so I just can't seem to get my groove. All right, I'm going to school. And yeah. All right, y'all. See you later.